Right, so what did we find?
The back half failed on this. It's a I-shift. It's a 550,
Yes.
I believe, mileage on it. I'm taking out the filter right now. I had already removed it previously.
So as you can see, so let's take it back a little bit. We had a customer come in with that, and then
Yeah, so the complaint was he was hearing some grinding from 6 to 8.
yeah.
But what I did was put on the manual, and then I shifted it myself, and it was going from 6 to 7. So it was the high range where it was making that grind.
Yeah, and then so we just took it out. It previously been worked on. I mean, you can see how they sealed it, right? It wasn't a factory seal. We know that
Factory seal.
we know that they worked on it. So
Yeah, it was repaired like a year ago.
yeah,
But well, from what it looks like, they only did the top cover on it.
yeah.
Uh,
Why do you think they took the back end though?
I don't know.
Or maybe it was at a different time.
Could have been at a
Could have been a
different
different
time. Could have been like some recall they had for ISIS, you know,
Yeah.
while it was still under warranty.
So long story short, you can see how messed up it is right here. It's all cracked.
Got these chunks right here.
Candy.
All these shavings.
The filter is all.
I mean, I pretty much saw this coming when I removed these transcooler lines to drop in order to drop it. Once I removed them, there was nothing but shavings coming out.
Yeah. So what do you think happened here?
There's a possibility, because he showed us the invoice, and the invoice they put oil, and at the price that they sold them the oil, it doesn't look like an OEM oil they put in the trans.
Yeah.
A lot cheaper than what an OEM fluid costs. So it could have been a cheap fluid that caused a failure. They claimed that they repaired it a year ago, like a rebuild.
Yeah.
But if an automatic is not
still
gonna
don't know. The invoice is not clear on what they did.
not clear at all.
But long story short, the trans is needs to be rebuilt.
Yeah.
And the question is, do we buy a used one, low mileage used one, or do we rebuild it and have a brand new transmission with warranty, right?
Yeah, 3 years,
Mhm.
unlimited miles.
But the question is now, you know, if somebody's ever in that situation, it's a tough. I mean, it's something to think about, because you are gonna have to whip out a lot of money to get this rebuilt.
Yeah, that's correct.
I mean, in the teens of thousands of dollars to get it done, to properly rebuild it.
But at the same time, a year ago, he did spend quite a bit of money.
He did spend, yeah. If it was done properly,
This
we
wouldn't
wouldn't
have
have
happened.
this
Oh, for sure.
situation. Yeah.
Yeah.
So mistakes do happen,
Yeah.
but I think this was just negligence, maybe, right? That could have been avoided, and
He did say it did previously fail, like it wasn't shifting. Don't you love that?
yeah.
So there could have been I'm gonna say tomorrow.
I know.
There could have been a possibility that when they put the trans back up, those lines were never switched out, or that radiator was never swapped out, because these shavings are going to be in those lines and in the trans cooler.
So something to think about. Definitely a good transmission, but if you cut the corners, then
Yeah, especially at customers, actually, you know, you got to understand that it's a really good transmission, but you have to understand that it comes with, it's expensive to repair.
yeah, it is.
You have to understand that.
Yeah, and that 750 warranty is only good if it's less than 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what the customer wants to do, and it's a tough nut, definitely, but we have a used one, so we're good.
Yeah.
We have a lot of those now. We have at least 10. No, we have 13
that's like
trucks.
13, right?
Yeah, we have 13 I-shifts right now, so I already have one sitting as a spare. but
We got 5 more coming in too.
we do.
Yeah.
Did you buy something? I didn't know. No, but yeah, make sure the shop you work with, you know, cutting corners is gonna fight
never
back.
cheap. It's never the
cheap.
best route.
It's temporary
Temporarily
band-aid. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.